So you're thinking about moving to the Phoenix, Arizona area, or maybe you own a home in Phoenix or the surrounding area, and you're wondering what's going on with the real estate market in Phoenix. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly what's happening with the real estate market in Phoenix and the surrounding areas. Now, stay with me through the end because I'm going to have a special little nugget just for you. Now, if you want to stay up to speed on what's going on in real estate in Phoenix, click the subscribe button and click on the alert so you're alerted every time we upload a video about real estate in the Phoenix area. And while you're at it, click the like button. That helps me out a lot. Now let's check out the market. Let's start with Phoenix proper, downtown Phoenix, and any zip code that is considered Phoenix, Arizona. Check this out. Last month, we were in the 65 to 70 percentile. We have dropped down to the 50 percentile range. It's still a strong seller's market because of supply and demand. But here's a couple of things I want to show you to keep in mind if you're a buyer and if you're a seller. Last month, the median price was $492,000. Now it is $475,000 with average price per square foot of 309 is only dropped to 296. That's not a huge drop in price per square foot. But this is what's very interesting. Average days on market are now 41 days. In our last report, it was 14. What does that mean? Well, due to the interest rate fluctuation, that has increased our days on market. And what it's done for some of our sellers is it's pulled them out of the market. It's done the same for some of the buyers. Some of the buyers that simply could not afford the interest rate at the increase fell out of the market. Now, interest rates have come back down a little bit, so we're going to see a fluctuation here. So stay tuned next month, and we're going to see what happens. Let's get down into the Buckeye area. Same thing has happened. Our index has dropped. Now, remember, I did mention last time that we've been traveling at 100 miles an hour for a couple of years, and now it feels like you're hardly moving at 50. We're not in a stable or in a buyer's market till we're in this 30 index range, 30 to 35 index range. But let's get to the numbers. Last month in Buckeye, the median price was $475,000. It's dropped on an average of $35,000. The price per square foot in Buckeye was $242, and that's dropped to $238. Again, not a big drop in price per square foot. And also the average days on market are now 38. They were 31 during our last report. What does this mean? This means that it's taken not that much longer to sell in Buckeye, but the speculators, the sellers that were asking for too much money, wound up selling for an average sales price, which is where they should have been selling in the first place. I'm going to get deeper into this in just a couple of moments. Let's talk about Surprise. Now, Surprise is a fast-paced, majorly growing area in the West Valley. Last month, the median sales price was $499. This month, it's $485, with the price per square foot at $257 a square foot during this last report, and now it's at $253. You can see it hasn't dropped much. But the average days on market have only increased 9 days. In our last report, average days on market were 30. We're only at 39. Look, the index has dropped also from roughly 68, 69, where it was the last report, down to 54. What is that telling us? It's telling us the same thing from market to market in the Phoenix area, especially the newer homes, Buckeye and Surprise, compared to downtown Phoenix or Phoenix proper, that people are moving to the suburbs, but you're getting average to realistic pricing. We're not seeing the massive overbidding and overpaying for homes in the West Valley. Let's check out Queen Creek. Now, in my last report, the median price was $650,000, and now it's $657,000. Price per square foot was $285, but it's dropped to $274, and days on market were 34, and now it's 40. Kind of a weird thing that the price has gone up. So how does that happen? What basically happens there is that we're selling some larger homes, so the price per square foot actually comes down on the larger homes. Look at what's happened here also. Last month we were in a 60, and now we dropped to 49. What is this saying about the Queen Creek area? It's saying that people are still buying there, but again, they're not overpaying. They're paying market value. So we're not having the massive influx of people willing to spend whatever it takes to live in the greater Phoenix area. Let's check out Gilbert. Last month in Gilbert, we were looking at $619,000 as a median price. Now we're at roughly $600,000. The price per square foot was $295. It's dropped to $291, and the average days on market were 22. We've increased to 33 days. Again, we've seen the index drop from roughly 68 down to 55. Same trend is happening in the Gilbert area. Let's go a little bit further and hit Florence. Florence, $391,000 is the median price. The price per square foot is $215. Average days on market are 39. This is what I'm finding interesting. We were at roughly 60, almost 60 last month. Now we're down to 45. What is this saying? Florence is further out from the major metropolitan area of Phoenix. So we're seeing the prices drop there a little bit more in today's market right now. Nothing in the world, but that's what's happening. Now, with all of this being said, what we're seeing is a stabilization of the real estate market. So if you're a seller, it's important that you know where to price your property before you put it on the market. If you'd like a free custom report for your property, leave a comment below or reach out to me directly. My team and I will be happy to prepare a report for you for your particular property. Now, the special nugget is this: each house is a little bit different from community to community, even identical properties in the same community. So it's vital, if you're thinking about selling your home, that you have this custom report. Again, leave a comment below or reach out to me directly. I'll be happy to email you a custom report for your home. Now, here's a special nugget for buyers. If you're thinking about buying a home in the greater Phoenix area, it is important that you're working with a real estate agent that understands the market. Right now in today's market, there is no need to overpay for a home. The multiple offers are still happening with the listings, but people are not paying $30,000, $40,000, $50,000 above appraised value anymore. On the average, there's still people doing that, but on the average, for you buyers, we get to breathe a little bit and we get to write real offers. We get to write offers without overpaying for a property. You're going to pay property values. It's not a fire sale, but you're not going to have to bring $40,000, $50,000, $60,000 to the table above appraised value. So if you'd like to know what's happening from neighborhood to neighborhood, for you buyers, leave a comment below or reach out to me directly. I'll be happy to walk you through what's happening from community to community. If you have any questions about real estate or need help with any of your real estate needs in the greater Phoenix area, leave a comment below or reach out to me. My team and I will be happy to be of service to you. If you want to stay current with what's happening in the Phoenix real estate market, click subscribe and click the alert so you're alerted every time we upload a video regarding real estate in Phoenix. I hope you're healthy, I hope you're safe, and I hope life is well. Until next time, my friends, make it a great day.